Dramatic nail art smoothly turns into body art. Let's add some color. Our nail gurus are having a heated argument. One of them is sure that you need professional tools for perfect nail art, and the other says that regular school supplies will also do the trick. Let the battle begin! Ooh, fascinating! Are you creating another design? Add drops of different nail polishes into a bowl with water. Make a pattern on the surface. Hey, I don't want to dip my finger into this! There you go! Now my finger is covered in nail polish! Oops! I totally forgot about protecting your cuticles! Let's do it again! Apply peel-off cuticle guard around a nail and dip the nail into water with different nail polishes. Quickly take off the extra polish. Wow! I love the result! My nails look like a masterpiece! But I also have something to amaze you with. For starters, let's glue your fingers. Is this revenge? Coat your hand with a thick layer of white glue. Don't cover the nails. Let the glue dry. Color the fingers and the nails with white acrylic paint. Then apply paints of different colors. Add random dots and swirls. Paint all your nails. Carefully remove the glue when the paint is dry. Swipe a brush over it and remove the glue. Awesome! My glued hand turned into a canvas. What an awesome design! Let's pick out the next design. Your school supplies won't be able to handle this delicate job. We'll see about that. Coat a nail with pink nail polish. Paint cat paw prints with a dotting tool. Use black nail polish. Amazing! Now I'm Catwoman. But I can paint dots too. Create smooth waves on nails using blue and white acrylic paints. Dip the end of a pencil in black paint and make dots of different sizes. Add clear glue on top. Dots made with a pencil aren't worse than yours. This is a great manicure. It's so me. Both designs are interesting and unique. My heart wants a color transition. A professional Aeropuffing tool will help me. Apply nail polish onto foil. Dip an Aeropuffing tool into it. Remove the excess. Make an imprint on a nail. Don't forget about using a cuticle guard. Use different nail polishes to create a color transition. Retouch the polish with the tool. Peel off the cuticle guard. Attach a sticker with drips to the nail. Color the nail black. Remove the sticker when the polish is dry. Define the outlines with a thin brush. Coat the rest of the nails with pink and purple nail polishes. Wow! It looks like I have a rainbow dripping on my nails. It's perfect! There is no design my school supplies can't handle. Never doubt the power of tape. Attach thin strips of duct tape onto a nail. Create a pattern of squares. Apply yellow and pink acrylic paints onto a paint sponge. Get rid of the excess and apply the paint onto the nail. Cover the skin around the nail with glue beforehand. Make the other nail yellow and blue. Remove the tape when the paint is dry and peel off the glue around the nail. Define the outlines with a thin brush. Paint the rest of the nails using matching acrylic paints. Add clear glue on top. Well done, friend! This color transition is wonderful! Let's try to create a leopard print. Cover one nail with orange nail polish. And coat only half of another nail. Add leopard spots using a thin brush and black nail polish. Secure it with clear nail polish. And I'll paint a leopard pattern with a regular pencil and acrylic paint. Where's a knife? Cut a stamp of a leopard spot out of an eraser on a pencil. Apply yellow acrylic paint onto one nail. Coat one nail completely and cover just the top of the other one. Make prints with the stamp and black paint. Secure the paint with clear Elmer's glue. Not bad! This art trick worked! Creating nail art with paint is just as good as using professional nail polish. Good job, girls! Welcome to our nail art western. Reload the nail file. Roll the tape. A manicure battle is inevitable. May the best girl win. Cut out a seashell water nail decal. Soak a cotton pad in water. Place the seashell onto the pad and let it soak in some water. Put it onto a nail and take off the paper layer. Coat it with clear nail polish and let it dry. Color the seashell with a nail art pen. Coat the white background on the other nail. That's a great move! I need to come up with something too! I've got an idea! Let's ask nature for help! Cut an ant out of a sticker paper bookmark. Attach it onto your nail. Outline a leaf on your other nail with a black marker pen. Color it green. Secure the design with clear glue. Both nail designs are worthy of winning first place, and the rivals became friends. A battle is no reason to cancel lunch at a cafe. Come on, how much longer do I need to wait? Oh, your nails don't match your red dress. You look like a painting by Andy Warhol. Don't like it? Just wait. Look, the color's different. But how? Is this a nail art time machine? No, it's just a simple trick. Paint your nails with yellow nail polish. Then cover them with Elmer's glue. Let it dry. Apply a different color on top. You can quickly peel off the glue along with the nail polish in case you don't like it anymore. And here are my new nails! That was fast! Finally, nail polish and school supplies work together! Did you like our nail art hacks? Then let us know in the comments what you paint on your nails. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new beauty tricks from Troom.